Now violations. Okay, next three type of violations. Routine and situational violations. Desire to cut corners, save time. These are one of the reason. Violations site, usually in the site it's happening, no? Violations at site. These are the three types: routine and situational and exceptional. Okay. Desire to cut corners, save time. Due to cut corners means shortcuts. They are doing some shortcuts, deviating the procedures. Okay. For routine, they are doing some shortcuts, violations. Okay. Due to the chance of getting accidents. Okay. Rules perceived to be restrictive. Rules, procedures, too much procedures. Due to the too much procedures, no, they are restrictive. Due to too much, they doesn't want to follow. This is also one of the reasons. Lack of supervision and enforcement. Lack of supervision. Suppose one task is going on, there is no proper supervision. They will use this one. They can do the violations. Okay, na? And enforcement, as well as if they are doing something wrong in the site, in the industry, enforcement generally safety people will do. Safety people is it's like site police. You know that? It simply say that if someone doing violations, means someone is there. Engineers are there. Engineers, line manager, they also can give any enforcement means. If you are doing like this, we will cut the salary like that. Okay. Lack of supervision and enforcement. Enforcement, there is no enforcement policy in the company. People may should do routinely they will do the violations because of there is no signs whatever. Some companies, if you are not wearing helmet in the industry, they will put some little small amount of fine, 50 rupees or 100 rupees like that. Okay. If there is there is no enforcement and lack of supervision, there is a chance. Okay. New workers, bad habits. This routinely new workers, no, they will do this type of bad habits routine. Okay. That means they will not follow the safety. Okay. They will do violations. Okay. And this situational. Secondly, it's situational. Time pressure. There is a pressure in the to task complete this time. They will do some violations. Others, insufficient staff or workload. See, the task is under sufficient. There is no staff to do the sufficient task. Suppose there is a work that should be 8 people should be there for the
sir, your mic sound is not clear, sir. Please check, sir.
Okay, I will check.
Buffering.
Buffering. Okay, I will check it.
Thank you.
How is now? Is it okay now? Is my voice is clear now?
కొంచెం అదే క్లియర్ గా ఉంటలేదు సార్, అది బఫరింగ్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Actually, this is not my laptop. There is an issue with some software agreement for service. I'm using another laptop, friend's laptop. But today time being, what?
ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం,
How it is now? Is it clear?
Okay,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Banu, sir.
Please, sir.
Okay, no?
Okay, sir.
Okay, insufficient staff for workload means I said now there is no sufficient manpower to do that such a task. They will do some they do violations usually happening in construction. Bharadwaj, what do you say? Situationally, some violations will happen or not in the industry. There is insufficient
Happen.
staff for the workload.
Because sir, GCS client and management pressure. We will do as soon as possible. Some staff and engineers break the rules
Yeah.
as per requirement.
Correct equipment not available. We don't have a sufficient equipment. Suppose that we have lifting, we have a 14-ton crane in the site, but the radius is not matching. The load, actually load chart is not matching. But even they want to do with that crane only, to lift something. Okay, like that also they will violate the rules. Because there is no proper equipment with them. That is why they will do violations. Okay, extreme weather conditions. Some extreme weather conditions. We see sometimes there is a rain. We have to finish the task. We want to leave that place. That time also there is a deviations in the safety. These are the conditions, routine and situational. I hope you understood. Okay. Exceptional. Rare occurrence happen when something has gone wrong and decision is made to put things right, even if it is means taking risks that are known to be unsuitable or inappropriate. As we know that it is a wrong. It is a wrong thing they are doing, but some rare occurrence. It's due to lack of some material, whatever the violations will be. These type of exceptional will be done. Some violations will be done in the industry. As they know that it is wrong, but they don't have, so they will do the whatever. You can continue with that, because take care and you will do that. This is exceptional. Okay, these three type of violations. Okay, reducing likelihood of human error. These are the human errors. How to if you want to reduce these type of human errors, what we have to do? The industry skilled manpower has to deploy competent trained person. If it is there, these type of human errors will not be happen. If there is human errors, means there is no accidents. If there is because 90%, 98% of the accidents will happen human error only, because to some mechanical failure, atmosphere, whatever. It was more than 95, 98% of the accidents happening in the human error only. Okay. Well motivated employees. If employees are motivated, we can reduce the human errors. Okay, if they are motivated with something, some like we are reaching 1 lakh man safe hours, 2 lakh man safe hours. If we reach, means there. If you organization gives some gifts, sweets, distribution usually in industries, but they will be motivated. If the employees are motivated, human right, reducing likely of human errors. Okay, avoiding monotonous work. Continuously, thus up to 10 years, a monotonous continually is working. That is also one of the reason. Avoid this has to be avoided. Continuously work, monotonous, same work continuously, they are working. These also be reason. Okay. Breaks to counter fatigue. Okay, fatigue means they need a breaks, tea time and everything they are giving. No, otherwise, if you are giving continued task, morning to evening, morning to up to lunchtime, they cannot do. If they are tired, means if mind properly not working, physically is there, mentally mind is not working. That is the reason it may chances of human errors, the resulting of accidents. Okay. Clear roles and lines of responsibility. If we have to give proper roles and responsibility for the task, everyone has a proper lines of responsibility. If it is there, we will reduce this type of errors. Okay, good lines of communication. Even responsibility is there. If there is no proper communication with the line lineman top to bottom, there is a chance for human errors. Okay, clarity of instructions. If there clear instructions has to given to the employees to do properly to reduce such like of human errors. Okay, good working environment. If working environment is good, also there is we can likelihood the human errors. If environment controls also be considered. Competent supervision. Supervision, if proper supervision is there, if someone doing wrong, supervisor will engineer or manager will ask, like that they will do the properly. Ultimately what will happen? Human errors will be reducing. Drug and alcohol policy. Suppose the people drink and came for the job, no, they will do the human errors. Okay, company has strict policy. Company has should be strict policy, drugs and policy. If you drunk and cannot come to the duty. Okay, like that they will some organizations here now they will check with alcohol analyzer while entering the gate. If they doubt, they are suspend to 1 week or like that. Okay, usually some people are coming with alcohol. Okay, why hazards may be underestimated? See, underestimated means hazard, already I said, something which potential to cause harm. Okay, either injuries or damage of plant and machinery or damage to environment. Okay, but this is the hazard that in this syllabus continue routinely will come the safety. Okay, over familiarity and complacency means over familiarization with the task. Suppose the person over familiar with the task. This work I'm doing with so many years, nothing will happen. I can do like that. See, on photo is there. He's doing something with electrical panel. There he is working. There is a chance for to trip. Any knobs are there, no control may touch. He is fully familiar with the task. Over familiar means he is not taking care. I know that this nothing will happen. I know These all the things. Okay. Lack of instruction, information, training, and supervision. See, these type of points completely is repeated. Is someone observed like this? Lack of instruction. Why accidents happen means this point will come. Lack of instruction, information, lack of training, lack of supervision. They don't know what is the hazard and what are the impact of the hazard. Okay. Lack of experience. This is also similar to that. You don't have a such type of experience to do. Sensory impairment is because of his sense, is receiving sense, no, that is also will be affected. His senses means, you, as we discussed, no, yesterday, sensory means this what we say, different perceptions. Okay. Sensory impairments are different perceptions, and also his eyes, maybe his eyes cannot see properly with his eyes, or properly cannot hear something like that. Hazards invisible. Hazards invisible. Hazards means invisible means it's not visible hazard. If after finishing something, after happens something, you know, then only we know that these type of hazards are, some type of hazards are invisible. Suppose there is a electrical, we are operating some, we have to operate some electrical. Actually, the equipment is safe. That equipment is safe. If you operate some any electrical wire or some wrong connection given to the touch to the that panel, means that hazard invisible. Some people, if you touch that machine, no, indirectly you will got the shock. That hazard is invisible. Okay. Routine and repetitive tasks. Is due to the routine and repetitive task also, hazards may be underestimated. Okay. Inadequate design, as discussed yesterday, no. The proper design, there is no proper design to the equipment or machinery, we cannot underestimate the hazard. What will happen if something wrong like that? Okay. 1 minute. I cannot. See, some sorry for the disturbance. Okay. Why the hazards may be underestimated means we are not underestimated the what, because of we don't know the hazard. That is the reason. These are the points as discussed now. We don't know that hazard hazard may be underestimated means we cannot, the hazard consequences we may not be know that what are the consequences will happen if hazard, we don't know that regarding the hazard, what is hazard, and then what are the consequences. If we don't know, then that is the underestimate. These are the reasons. Okay. See, the communication. Communication is the main important role in the safety. From Latin, it's communis, meaning to share, is the activity of conveying information through the exchange of thoughts, messages, or information as by speech, visuals, signals, writing, or behavior. It is meaningful exchange of information between two or a group of persons. See the communication, how we are doing the communication is if there is a two-way communications, one-way communication. Communication is the main role in the safety. I said that through the exchange of through message, information, speeches, visuals, and signs. I will show you the practically. Okay. One definition of the communication is any act by which one person gives to or receive from another person. If you are giving one person to other person or receiving from another person, information about that person needs, desire, perceptions, knowledge, or affective states. It is a two-way process. See, one-way process means the person who is saying just you are the listening. It means one-way communication. Sharing ideas, information between other parties also. It means if I am saying continuously, if there is no, I'm not giving chance to them. It means it's one-way communication. But I'm asking answers from you and discussing with you. It means sharing. It's a two-way process. The best communication way is the two-way process. Okay. The person who is that one, no, login with number. I cannot give this 18 names. No, we have to record with this 8928081072. Who is this? Hello? 8928. Someone log in Zoom with number. Hello, who is this? Please log in with your name. Okay. Hello. Is you got my voice?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Someone log in with number. You see this? Who is this?
Don't know.
Someone know this one? Is a regular person to us or some any other person? I would like to see him in video. We have 10 minutes more for the break, okay? See the communication. Conceive message. Select the method. How it is method? Which type of method you are using for the communication? Deliver the message. Receive message. Interpret message means replying from other party. Supply feedback. These are the principle of the communication. Selecting the method, no, some otherwise selecting method means we are providing some pictures or video visuals like that. Selecting the method, deliver the message, receive the message, and take replies from with his ideas and interpret message. Then supply feedback. Then take the feedback. Okay. Feedback. We tend to remember. Remembering means we can remember if you read 10% only, 20% hearing. Usually this is the common percentage. It's not applicable to 100%. These are you remembering means if you see, if you read means maybe you can remember 10% only. You understood this one? So if you are hearing not 20% only, maybe you remember. 30% if you see, 50% seen and heard. Two senses you are using. Okay. 70% what person says. If some other person says no, if we hear properly with our senses. 90% what the person do. For remembering, if you are doing something, remembering means if you do something, if you wake, if you see, if you are do means if you do the something task, if you do some task, no, you continue always you remember that one. 90% you have remembrance. Okay. Information by senses, 75% by sight, by sensor, 13% by hearing, 6% by touch, 3% by smell, 5% by taste. You understood this? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we go?
Sir, please sir, repeat, sir.
Next. Communication objectives of the communication. To understand others. You understood, no? To understand others. Other people should be understand. Why communication is required? To understand others. If you say something, to understand others. Clear understanding of the message. Communication. Okay. Objective of the communication is acceptance of our ideas. Get required action also. Objectives of the communication, these four. Okay. If other people not understand, there is no use, no communication. And the purpose. Promote understanding. Transmission of aims, objectives, and policies. Purpose. Why communication is a object? Why it's a must means for in the organization anywhere, in meetings, whatever. Promote the understanding and transmission of the aims and goals and objective of the companies, what procedures, everything people should understand. No, that is the reason. That is the purpose only. In industry, communication, proper communication should be required. Okay. Collecting opinions. Just I am asking you, collecting opinions, and just I am not just continuously saying, no, I am collecting your opinions also. Okay. That is the motto of this. Cooperation, instructions also we can give to the team. Problem solving also we can do with this communication purpose. Okay. See these methods of the communication: written, verbal, and visual. Three type of communication method. Written message that we are giving to, if you are giving to others, means written any instructions we are giving to the staff. And verbal means verbally in meetings we are telling. See on the person picture, there is a picture. I kept these pictures because of we can easily understand. There is a visuals means in the news, like they are saying videos and everything, visuals, photos and everything here provided. Power. See these type of three communications using in usually in industries everywhere. You know that all the people know that this type of the communication, written and verbal and visual. Okay. Advantages of the written communication and disadvantage. It's a permanent record, as you know that if you written document, some document, written communication with other, it's permanent record. And reference also. There's a reference. The record is there, no? For reference, anytime we can take and see. Reference for the record. That's constant message. That message is constant. We cannot change, no? That one. Accurate details also will be there in the written. That is the advantage for the written communication. Wide audience. Authoritative and wide audience means authoritatives. It's writtenly. It's agreement. It's writtenly. This some documents are there, no? It's evidence. Is some written. There is some disadvantage also. Is there for the written communication? Maybe unread. Some people may not be read. If you provide some written information to them, because of different people are there from different languages. Okay. So some people need that visual voice communications required. Okay. Maybe unread and one way. It's a one-way communication. No? Just given instruction. Written communication means if give there is no changes, there is no other opinion. We are not taking. We are not taking. If you are written, giving the information, and I send you, because no, this is a one-way communication. That's recorded. Finish. Often no feedback. There is also no feedback. Disadvantage of the written communication. Time consuming. These are taken time. Cost. Misinterpretations. Some people cannot read properly. There is a understanding of misunderstandings also. Okay. I think time is up. 5:40. You have any doubts regarding this much of there is no this much of depth in the subject, but I am telling. Okay, this written communication like that. These are because we know the what is the communication, how many types of the communication, just like how many types of communication, like that questions may become. Okay, these are the additionally I have prepared. Okay, as you know, all people know that there is a communications. How many types of communications? Okay, this type of communication, method of communication. Any doubts regarding? Hello? Shall we go for a break?